Locked up in my heart, why can't I just relive your sweet words on repeat? The ones that you said, making my last name ours. My darling, this feeling is one I never imagined. Yeah, I just hope Jesus forgives me for asking, but where do you go when you die? How do you know when you're there? If heaven's a moment you wish never ended, then I'm 6 feet under somewhere. I'm 6 feet under somewhere.